I'm Edwin Isaacs, the associate pastor at a church in Pasadena. About 2 years ago, I had a very unique problem where I was in a situation that I would lose my house. A house that I was renting. My landlord never told me what was going on, and I was paying rent. And so I had to find out that the house is busy getting into foreclosure. And that means if that house gets into foreclosure, it would mean that I would be homeless. I would go nowhere. And so it happened that I come in contact through the internet with Mr. Sugar Ray Pereno and his wife, and he helped me with his program so that, number one, my low FICO score of 540 increased to 680. That helped me a lot. So that was the first step. And then the next step was to get to business. So in a very short period, I was helped as a result of what he did. I got qualified to get into the free government down payment assistance program. So I was able to buy and not rent anymore, so that me and my 4 children have a house. Really, he and his program, Mr. Sugar Ray and his wife, was God sent. Thanks again, I do appreciate it.